Oh no, you gotta be kidding me. Here he comes again. I have just started to relax. Ugh.
Excuse me, can I bother you for a second, please? You look like a friend of mine. His name's Tom. Are you Tom?
Uh, no, sir, I am not Tom. Do I look like a mice person to you?
Are you Jerry?
Wow. Are you serious? First a cat, now a mouse. What's next? A bunny or something?
Spanky?
No, my name is not Spanky. But if you want to spank something, I can arrange it for you.
Is your name Eddie?
Oh no, this is really getting mental.
Okay. So your name is Banana.
I think no, but I will take banana for now just to move on.
Okay. Let me try one more time. What's your name? Frankie?
No. Can I ask you a question? Did somebody pay you to grind my gears? For real? My name is Cranky.
I got it now. Turkey?
Oh no. Here we go. Now I am not only angry but also hungry. Oh no.
It's nice to meet you. No, actually, it's not nice to meet you, sir. It's nice to.
It's nice to meet you too, even though it's exhausting. Oh, what a nice day. It's beautiful outside. No. There's one. Oh, here. Somebody call my lawyer.